All right, this is what out of adjustment brakes look like. They should not be able to free spin like this and be popping in and out. I'm going to show you real quick how you make an adjustment on this. Take them out a few clicks, slide the drum back on. What you're looking for is a gentle grab. You want it to get to the point where it's got a good gentle grab the whole way around. Now, of course, this is always way easier with new shoes, new drums, and brand new hardware, so everything moves smoothly and easily. And we're doing this on a 2003 Ford Taurus, rear brakes. So you just keep popping it on and off, get that good stick, do it a couple times. Keep making minor adjustments. It's better to go little by little rather than getting that sucker all the way wound out and having the drum get stuck, because it can hang up on the drum, especially if you don't have a brand new drum and it's got a lip inside. Starting to get there. Still a little more to go. Starting to feel a little more snug. We'll go for a little more snug than that. And you can use a flathead screwdriver or whatever. We've got a nice little brake adjuster tool, a little crow's foot looking tool there that we can use, but you can use that with a flathead, another piece of flat steel, something you've got. All right, now we're starting to get perfect. The idea is to get it to where it's almost not wanting to turn. It's pretty snug, and then you back it off slightly from where it doesn't really want to turn by hand. Once you're at that point where it doesn't really want to turn by hand, then you got to back it off a little bit. So that way it's just grabbing and not stopping. See that? He has to kind of turn it by hand. So now we're at that point where it's good and tight. Another thing to do is go ahead and apply the brakes a couple times after you get all this done, before you put the wheel back on all the way. And then check it again. Try to pull the parking brake a couple times as well. So that way everything's seated perfectly before you call it a final adjustment. So that's how you do it.